I brought this Xtra Edge camera from the TikTok shop so you don't have to. Let's see if this camera is worth it or not. Okay, so what is the Xtra Edge? This is the box, as you can see. It's the standard bundle, and it has 1 and 1.3 sensor, 4K cinematic video, hyper stabilization, 52 feet waterproof, 3-hour battery, and a universal quick mount. And then this is everything that comes in the box. The camera, of course, 1900 cold resistant battery, dual facing mount adapter, curved surface mount, lens cover, thumb screw, dual orientation protective frame, and a USB-C to USB-C PD cable. Okay, so this is everything that came in the box. This mount right here, and then this, I look-y forgot what this is for. I forgot what that's for. But anyway, this is the screw to go in here when you're mounting your camera. And then this is another piece. This is like a sticky piece that you can mount like on anything you need to mount it on. Either like, they said like a backpack, like a helmet, stuff like that. But like for content creators, you could do it like either on the fridge or your car or your mirror, stuff like that. Okay, now we're gonna talk about price. The price for this camera, if I don't vividly remember the price, I'm gonna put a picture right here from a TikTok shop. I think it was like 170 something. I think it was like 170 something like that. I know it was 100 something though. But yeah, so when you think about it, that's really a good price for a camera. Even though it's an action camera, like people say, you can still use it as a regular camera to vlog. And like I said, you can get this from the TikTok shop. Go to my TikTok shop and find it there, or easier for y'all, I'll just literally put the link in the description. Y'all could go click and check out the camera for yourselves. So as y'all can see, this is the camera. I'm gonna turn it around. Don't know my fingerprints, but this is the camera. This is where you charge it, power button. Also, it came with this. It came with this case. This is to record, and then this is for another what do you call it? Like this. This is for another tripod if you want to film like a TikTok. And on this side, when you take the case off, where you put in the battery and the SD card. But I don't feel like taking the case off. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, because I just did that already. But yeah, on this side is where you put the battery and the SD card. All right, so we're gonna turn it on. Let me stop. But all right, so one thing I'm gonna tell y'all, with the SD card, you need what do you call it? You need the one that says 30 something. I forgot, but I'm gonna put a picture in the video. But you need one that says 30 something, because as you can see from the screen that just popped up, the SD card for this is gonna be like it's gonna record good, but at the same time it's gonna be not the best or something like that. So you have to get the SD card that says like 30V or something like that. I'm gonna make sure I put a picture. But yeah, and then right here is where you can change it's a 4K, or you know. One thing about me, I suck at explaining stuff, especially a camera girl. But yeah, y'all get it. So right here, oh God. So right here is where you can zoom in and you can zoom out. It does only go up to 2.0. I'm letting y'all know that it only goes up to 2.0. But I keep it on 1.0 because I mean, yeah, unless I'm zooming into something. Then we have this right here. You can change it to either standard, wide, or you can do ultra wide, which low-key ultra wide is T. Like if you was going to a concert or some shit, I feel like this is where ultra wide would be T. But for now, I just use standard, or I will probably use wide. So I like that feature. And then right here, you can change it to either portrait mode or just regular default. I keep it on portrait mode. I feel like, I don't really be seeing a difference for real, but I keep it on portrait mode. You could click, let me see if y'all can see, right here, this video icon, and it shows where you can either you can put it on picture, video, slow-mo, and time-lapse. And then this little button right here, as you can see, this is where all your videos will be. Another thing, y'all, this is the front, obviously, and this is the back. Both the front and the back. Oh, both the front and the back is touchscreen. So I do love that. So you can adjust, you know, your settings and stuff from the front as well. So I feel like that is another good feature. But yeah, with this camera, I do feel like it has a good battery life because I've been keeping it off the charger so that it doesn't like overcharge. Y'all know how electronics be. So I have been keeping it off the charger and it's on 83. So it does have a really good battery life. So for this camera, I did get this tripod. As y'all can see, I'm not gonna take it off because it'd be annoying to put it on, but this tripod is like magnetic. It's magnetic and it connects. It has clips as well. Like these two orange things are clips. It connects to the inside, and as y'all can see, you can stretch it. It'll go even further. I'll put it to the max stretch. So this is the max stretch. And then this, as you can see, you push it, and then you just open it. Cute. And then also, this tripod is for the Osmo Pocket camera, the Osmo Action Mini Tripod. This is a tripod. This is the box. If y'all want to take y'all screenshots, just in case. But I will put a picture of it. I got my tripod from Amazon, and I feel like it's a really good tripod. I feel like it's not heavy. Literally, you can put this in your purse, and when you need it, record. Like, I feel like it's a good tripod. It's very sturdy. So this camera, I will be showing y'all some clips of me recording with my regular just room light, me recording outside to see how that looks, and me recording with my ring light so y'all can see the different qualities, and y'all can let me know how y'all feel about it. I'll also be putting like how my phone quality looks, because right now I'm using my phone and y'all can see how it looks, but I'll be putting like, you know, comparison.
Has found the perfect people for the job. His best friend and bandmate, Kataro.
And what I would say is, what I like about this camera, I do like that it's tiny. I do like that because I feel like I'm the person who is not gonna like them huge cameras. Like when I actually get like, you know, a camera, which I'm probably gonna be using this for a while, I don't care. But when I actually get like a camera, I feel like it's gonna be a small one because I don't like that whole big ass camera. That's a lot. But that's just too much going on. But this is definitely a good size camera. Like, this is a good size camera. It's perfect. As y'all can see, like, just imagine. Like, it's a good size camera. I like the qualities it comes with. I like the, you know. Only thing is, at least they tell you if your SD card is good for it or not. Like I said, I will be putting a picture of the SD card that a lot of people get for this camera that they said is better for this camera. So I will be getting that. Also, what you can use this camera for, this camera will be good for vlogging. Honestly, I feel like it will be good for anything content wise. Like, it's good for vlogging, it's good if you're doing get ready with me's. And then another feature I like is this right here. This feature is for like, even though you can turn your tripod, like put your tripod down. This feature I like because you can put your tripod on this part and you can record this way. Like if you're gonna record a TikTok. So that's another thing I like. Even though I'm pretty sure with other cameras you could probably do that. But I don't give a damn. This camera is, I like it like that. It's better. So yeah, you can record regular, like this angle, for like if you're gonna record a TikTok. So that's another feature I like. And yeah, I think that's all my little kind of pros and cons. I really don't have much cons because I kind of love this camera. It may not be like other cameras, but I love this camera. So that's my pros, I guess. But yeah, y'all, I feel like basically you should get this camera, especially if you're a beginner and you don't want to spend so much money on a camera, because it's literally only 100 or something. Like, to me, that's a steal. This is definitely a good beginner camera. I feel like I said, it's very small, so you could sneak this thing anywhere. But it's very small. It's very small. I like that about it. And yeah, when I do also, y'all, when I do get more accessories, because I am planning on kind of like decorating at least this part and getting a little charm or whatever you call it for my tripod. But yeah, that's like my verdict on the tripod and the camera itself. Once again, Xtra Edge. So let me know if you would buy this camera. Let me know your opinion on this camera, and let me know if y'all want any more details on the camera, because I will gladly answer any questions in the comments. Okay, so just let me know. Yeah, so that's the end of this video. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Once again, I will leave the link to the tripod, and I will leave the link to the camera in my description below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. And make sure y'all have that post notification bell on, because I know damn well a lot of y'all don't got it on. That's the end of this video. Bye.